Guys, there are two demo classes. Demo 1 and Demo 2. Please look at the content. It's a well-prepared content. And the demos are really suitable for the report developers, analysts, and scientists. In the first demo level, I'm going to cover introduction part, duration, the content, opportunities, normal and fast track differences, and supporting question answer. So you can take your mic at any time and ask, but please don't describe your career and ask me suggestions during the demo. I'll give you my contact number, call me and we'll have a nice discussion. I'll give you better suggestions. And next 40 minutes, I'm going to explain types of data, IT application, BA applications, BA history, and Microsoft Fabric, Power BI in the Fabric, AI in Power BI. So this beautiful part I'm going to explain. According to my experience, even my management experience, if a candidate learning Power BI course or joining in a company without knowing this, definitely he face many consequences. He will not understand the environment. So this is an environment subject I'm giving. It's a demo come regular class and where you get very valuable information. And in tomorrow, I'm going to explain the interface practice, interface installation, and the interface end-to-end process tomorrow. So two beautiful demo classes for better knowledge. Join the two demo classes, listen to it, enjoy it, practice it. And my request, offline, online people, please do not write anything. And there are a couple of offline people too. And I request you, don't write anything. Just listen, sufficient. Yes, Madhu, please listen. You can close your book. In case you feel little faster, anyway, you get the video. Open the video, go through the video and get good understanding. Still you have doubts, yeah, my contact number is there, you can call me. Or if you come to institution, since you are offline, you can ask me at any time. Even a couple of associated people here, they will help you, Madhu. Don't worry. And we are one of the best institute in the market for Power BI. We can confidently say many people moved out of this institute and joined in different organizations. We'll provide you definitely end-to-end very good subject. Right, the introduction part. So my name is Vinay and this is my contact number and my call timing 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. I'm a working senior lead consultant. The training type is basics to advanced and the duration 50 to 60 hours. And daily training 1 hour. My 1 hour equal to 2 to 3 hours practice for you. And Monday to Friday compulsory sessions and monthly 2 Saturdays you'll be having the classes. And that too based on your interest. Online, offline, both available. Couple of offline people too here. So duration and training type, please see this. So does Power BI require 60 hours? Yeah, the people who want to learn basics and just visualization, for them 10 hours, 15 hours sufficient. But if you want to learn complete Power BI beautiness and Power BI subject and you want to work in multiple companies, 100% you need to have good knowledge. And for that 60 hours mandatory. And we take Power BI level, the calculations part, the DAX part, 12 hours. We take 12 hours. Now you can understand. So by learning 20 hours or 15 hours or max 30 hours, you cannot do anything in the companies. If that is the case, then everyone will go for Power BI, learn 20 hours and join in the companies. Number one BI tool, number one. Now, Institute provide daily live class video and 2 years access you get. Communication, WhatsApp, email, and call, all the ways will address. Material theory, material practical, we will provide you. So theory for better reading and practical for better hands-on. And FAQs material you receive. So after every topic, you will get good confidence on that. and mock interviews too. Microsoft Fabric, Azure Data Factory, Power Apps. So these additional sessions I will conduct for 3 to 4 hours. I will conduct SQL sessions for 4 hours because it is mandatory. In real time, mostly data in the database and you will bring it. Maybe normal database or warehouse database. That time anyway you require SQL language knowledge. It's a database language knowledge. So 4 hours I will cover, but this is not sufficient. So my recommendation, learn a whole course and prioritize 9 topics. And mandatory for learning is Power BI plus SQL Server. And projects, 2 near real-time projects I'm going to review in the classes. And these are sufficient to place in the resume and to go for trials, near real-time. And you will understand in real-time what type of process we follow. How do we implement? Step-by-step implementation. And one project you do for 7 to 8 days in the class with a real-time process. 7 to 8 days. By explaining real-time tools, what all we use in the real-time. And one project I will show you practically, one project I will give you explanation. And multiple case studies you get for better hands-on and different types of scenarios. And who all interested will get course completion certificate at the end. And my objective, training objective, maximum subject will cover. And real-time working perspective, the subject is helpful. And the training is suitable for interview. And PL 300 is the examination. And I will cover 70 to 80% knowledge. This is a Microsoft examination for Power BI. Sir, what if I want to complete 100%? Yes. If you want to complete 100%, I will give you the dumps, prepare the dumps. In worst situation, you will be in a position to generate your own reports. So training objective, please read it. I'm not opening any notepad. I'm not opening any WordPad to type. Nowadays, we are all using fully graphical interfaces, even AI interfaces. So typing notepad, typing WordPad is a legacy process and outdated process. I don't prefer. Even it's not engaging. But right now, when you see the content, it's more engaging. And nowadays, some people expecting beyond this explanation. And general FAQs. So who is eligible to learn? Any graduate. And what type of component is Power BI? It's a low code component. Now, you can use Power BI for what? As a report developer. Yeah, this I will explain, don't worry. Any questions in this area from anyone? Training detail, institute providing, training objectives, general FAQs. Sir, you said daily live class video, could you show me? Yeah, for every batch you get like this. Take 8 o'clock, your previous batch. I provide all the videos in this area. First demo, second demo, all the videos. See guys, and I explain case study 1 immediately. Case study 1, case study 2, case study 3. And project 1, project 2, multiple projects I covered. Next. And materials. Yeah, very good material, guys. I will open from this folder only. For example, DAX. There's a language called DAX. And how many sessions I connected? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So many sessions. And this is a material, single material for practice. I shared with the students the same material I'm opening now. It's a detailed material with very good content. Our institute created this content. Theory part, practical part. Everything is very clear in this area. This kind of good materials you receive. And many people purchasing materials also from this institute. Alone materials also. So I showed you daily video and materials, theory and practical both. I showed you projects, case studies, even project documents also very strong documents I will provide you. Let me open from the student materials only. This is 8 o'clock batch folder. Take any project, even Inkscape, project 2, say documents, because these are very important. Say resume content, what to place in the resume level. Explain about your project. In companies, people ask, how do you explain? General project interview questions, stepwise implementation in the real time, resume content. Like this will provide the documents. Not going. Sufficient, guys, and it takes a lot of time if I started showing it. Fine. And WhatsApp groups. For every batch, there is a WhatsApp group. Take 8 o'clock. Until the last day, the classes will go properly. And they will get messages also on the last day. See, I provided PL 300 examination dump and greetings message. So we have successfully completed the course. A proper communication every day after the class, they will receive a video like this. Video message. Today's video plays and this is a subject covered. Kindly practice. Okay, great. Sir, you said you are one of the best institute in the market. Anybody selected from your institute, or do you get any opportunities? Yes. So as last year, this year, little down, market down. So less companies. Otherwise, many companies approached us to take candidates for different skills, not one, two skills. So we have opportunities groups, and we'll place the opportunities here. What are the opportunities we're getting? Multiple groups available. Even our trainers, trainer company, and other companies, when they recruit, they will call us for the profiles. 1 or 2 years experience push చేయండి our students. So I forward a couple of resumes to them. Sir, profile send చేస్తారా? See, he is a person, he learned multiple courses with us. And this October will get, sir, already hike. Power BI 8 years of experience. He is asking for a candidate, 8 years. Pure Power BI and basic SQL. And he last year only he got a good salary, guys. 33 lakhs per annum. Joined Mallam Mindtree, 33 lakhs per annum. A senior data engineer. He learned not only one course, multiple courses with us. So SQL, so 4 years ago, he learned Power BI from us, 8 p.m. batch. So many students, not 1, 2 students, guys. And if you want to see the testimonials, genuine testimonials, yes, we'll share with you all the WhatsApp screenshots of the students I mentioned. So finally received offer letter for so company, 22nd joining, sir, 18 lakhs per annum. No fake, all are genuine. So whatever you have seen, just Kishore got job. For our ease of identification, we mentioned like got job and all. And this one. Performance was good, sir. And I got so-and-so hike. Many people. You can look into this and I will give this testimonials one. Next. So kindly look into. So regarding this, I clearly showed you. So you no need to worry about our material, our content, our videos. Everything you get, what all you need to do is read, revise multiple times for better knowledge. It's a very detailed training for 60 hours. And after learning this course, and you can happily try on this. Since you're getting Power BI from this institute, basics to advanced. So you can try as a report developer. Power BI plus SQL knowledge. You can try as a BA developer. Power BI plus SQL knowledge. You can try as a data analyst. Power BI along with Power BI multiple tools. You can try as a data scientist. Power BI and along with Power BI multiple other tools. Data citizen. Power BI plus ADF plus Azure Databricks. And nowadays, Fabric is running very good, and they're also Power BI helpful for you. And you're a non-IT guy, and your company is non-IT company, but you want to use Power BI. Yes, you can generate Power BI reports. So these are the various areas Power BI is helpful. So if someone says Power BI not having market, don't believe them. It's a leader in the market, leader. Multiple types of opportunities it's providing. Yes, I have students who tried dedicated report developer, BA development, and who tried data analysis side. Because when they learn data analyst course or data scientist course, their visualization Power BI, they're covering 20 days or 25 days. And they're feeling like something lagging. So they're joining in our institute. Even Fabric level, we have Power BI, but very limited content. Or more content they're joining in this institute. So Power BI providing opportunities in multiple ways, multiple areas. Don't listen to your friends' words and who are not working in IT and who are not having good knowledge in IT are already working with different technology. Because if you see the statistics, Microsoft named a leader in 24 Gartner Magic Quadrant. Leader. If leader does not have market, what about contemporary components and subordinate components? You will not find any market. And if you see this, we are thrilled to announce that 17th consecutive year Microsoft has been positioned as a leader. For the last 17 years, Microsoft is the leader in the analytics and BA. 17th, not a first year. So definitely you get a very good and bright future after learning Power BI because it is used in multiple areas. So what about the impact of AI? No impact to Power BI. No impact to Power BI. Keep that point in mind. Power BI providing its own services and AI cannot replace. But we can use AI pieces in the Power BI. How to use, I will tell you in the classroom. But Power AI cannot replace Power BI. Confidently, you can learn, and these are all areas you can work. Manual effort is required, human intervention required. So Power BI also needed. Great. So this is about one company market. And if you see this, Power BI market, leader, Microsoft, Salesforce, Tableau, ClickView, they are all next to Microsoft Power BI. So you're learning the leader in the market, the number one BA component of the market. Next. And one more organization I will show you, Forrester. And this organization also clearly said Microsoft named a leader in the augmented BA platforms. And first recognized as a Microsoft leader. So even this organization recognizes Microsoft as a leader. Sir, I'm seeing Microsoft, but not Power BI. But you are claiming like Power BI. Why? I'll tell you today, don't worry. Next. Sir, I'm looking for fast track or one-on-one or video-based training. I'm not taking one-on-one, but when you go for fast track or one-on-one with in our institute or wherever you go, the amount of content will reduce and quality will reduce. Because how come they cover in 25 hours whatever we cover in 60 hours with patients? People say, yes, we will cover. It's not possible, guys. Practically not possible. Fast track is always fast track. Even in academics, we observe, and IT courses also. But if you're enthusiastic to learn more detailed course from beginning to ending, all parts with good examples, good practicals on one or two projects, yes, go for normal track. Sir, what if time does not suit? You can take videos, you can purchase videos and go one by one. If time does not suit. Or else you can join two batches parallelly and complete it. We have multiple batches. You can attend two batches and you can complete the course parallelly. So you can complete the course early. In the normal track, I'm going to give you SQL for 4 hours. Subject for very detailed. For fast track level, they may not take. They will take 1 to 2 hours SQL part and then Power BI part remaining. So if you want to follow my classes fast track way, join one batch, attend another batch parallelly, or join one batch, take previous batch videos. So continue here for 2 months. And anyway, you get previously completed videos, you can go through that. That way, many people getting benefit. Even I recommend you that. Because my 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours of practice. My 1 hour. If I take 2 hours, it will be almost like 4 to 8 hours in a day. Very tough to accommodate time for practice. One day, okay. But after 2, 3 days, not possible. You may be free whole day, but practicing 6 to 8 hours in a day is nightmare. Right. So next 2 months, what I'm going to cover. And before that, what are the opportunities you're eligible? I will explain, kindly focus. So Power BI fresher, you can try 0 to 1 year experience. And Power BI developer less than 5 years, you can try. Power BI, this is Power BI plus SQL, 90% opportunity. Power BI support resource, you can try. An admin resource, MSBI plus Power BI, Tableau plus Power BI, Azure plus Power BI, Fabric Lakehouse plus Power BI, Synapse or Databricks plus Power BI. So multiple opportunities. Multiple combination. You can ask me, sir, which combination is good in the market? Which combination I can prefer? Power BI senior roles, 5 years above. Modeler, designer, specialist, architect. These are senior roles. But when you want to try on this, at least one or two projects end-to-end knowledge required. In case you are having more IT experience and you want to try in IT or you want to survive in IT in technical side, reporting side, yes, Power BI 10 plus, 12 plus, also more opportunities available in the market. Highly remunerated positions. But my recommendation, one or two projects end-to-end experience will help you for this. Even data scientists, 0 to 1 year, they recruited in Power BI and above 1 year. Data analyst also 0 to 1 year and above 1 year. Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, this combination also we have opportunities. So these are the maximum opportunities you can see in the current market, maximum opportunities. Right. In the 2 months, what I'm covering, this is a content I'm covering in the 2 months. Power BI subject, cloud and on-premises, I'm covering cloud and on-premises. And project environment subject I'm covering, like any data warehousing fundamental, modeling fundamental, agile methodology, GitHub versioning, and two near real-time projects and multiple case studies. Database knowledge 3 to 4 hours I'm giving, but that is not sufficient. I recommend you to learn whole course so that you get complete awareness. Later, you can prioritize the important parts. Even I will give you today checklist level, the important parts. And this is a course checklist, guys. For every batch, we'll give you the checklist. And this is a checklist, even I will share with you. In this order only we'll follow. So what all components, in which order I'm going to cover. So for 8 o'clock batch, previous batch, I cover complete everything. Projects, project 1, project 2, everything I completed the same thing. For a particular topic like data extraction is a concept. And what I'm going to cover in the extraction level, data extraction, these are the source I'm covering. Power query level, these are the sources I'm covering. And this is a detailed checklist which we follow in the classroom. But you also get a course content. Course content is different, checklist is different. Checklist level, how I follow the class will be there. Course content level, what type of topics I'm going to cover. So this is the content I'm going to cover, guys. This is a course content, normal PDF content, well designed, guys. In our institute, what are the material you find, videos you find, everything well planned, well designed. And this is a checklist. So for demos, after demos, immediately important terms, the basics, and then Power BI software installation again, data extraction part, case study 1, Power BI cloud basics, and case study 2, case study 3, like this. And Microsoft Fabric and Azure BI 2 hours, Power Apps and Power Automate 2 to 3 hours I'm covering. And the resume preparation, you will have resume preparation classes. You'll get resumes and mock interviews also we are conducting for those interested. FAQ materials covering. This is what next 2 months you will be getting. So I'm done with the basic part actually. I took some more time. Introduction, duration, content, opportunity, everything. Now I will address your questions. Later I go for this part. Online, offline people, kindly ask your questions. And who all just joined, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number to receive the current document and video. Demo videos and documents are very valuable. Please provide your email address and mobile number. And in case you want to talk to me, these are my timings and this is my contact number. Please do reach out for all kinds of questions, concerns, queries. Quickly provide, guys. And you can ask your questions from this slide or from this slide or this slide or this slide. You can ask your questions. Chandu, Ganesh, John, Kiran, Narsimha, Ram, Ravi, Shiva Reddy, Suresh. Any questions you would like to ask?
No questions, Vinay.
Right. So don't hesitate. Kindly ask your questions. If you started asking question, you'll get the clarity on the subject.
Are you going to cover like fabric, including warehouse and lake house, gold, silver, those things as well?
That is covered in the fabric course, and I'm arranging 2 hours fabric session with my fabric expert. He will cover those parts.
Okay. Those will be not part of this. Okay.
Not part of Power BI, sir. That is a fabric part. And separate storage area. Whatever you ask, the storage area part.
Yeah. So how to connect fabric storage with Power BI, those things?
Yeah, those things. And not only that, Azure also, Azure connectivity. My trainer will explain you. So we have specialized trainers in this institute. So those people will cover. Even I covered for the previous batch also, I will show you. So Fabric and Azure weekend session, where we covered how do we connect Azure sources to Power BI, Fabric sources to Power BI. We covered here, these 2 sessions. Even Power Apps and Power Automate, how do we use along with Power BI also covered. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Kiran. Right, sir. Then what is the next part? So this is a content I planned for today, guys. Very valuable content, and you might not aware, and you will not get in the YouTube and other areas, but very important. Stop me if you're not able to understand. And if you're new to IT, don't feel panic. Open the video once or document once, you will get the clarity, no doubt, after the session. But immediately, if you want to understand, may not be possible. But after completing the session, open the video and material, and you will get the clarity, no doubt. So data to fabric understanding and hierarchy features you're supposed to know. I request every individual to have this hierarchical knowledge. So why, sir? So you'll come to know today, and even you can decide in case you want to learn on top of Power BI, which component or which application is good for you. That also you can take a decision. So stay tuned till 9:10. Sharply 9:10 a.m. I will close the session. Sharply 9:10 a.m. So kindly provide your email ID, mobile number to get demo video and demo document, please. Right. So data, IT applications, BA applications, Power BI, Power Platform, Fabric. And Power BI available nowadays, individual to do operations, and Power BI features available in the Fabric level, you can use it. So this I will explain at the end of this class today, but wait. What is data? Anything you are able to store is called data in IT. In IT level, we have 3 types of data: structured data, table, Excel, these all come under structured like this. ID, name, age, degree. This is column by column data, structured data. Semi-structured, JSON, XML. See, metadata, data. This is semi-structured. So JSON is one kind of file format, XML is another kind of file format, and both provide semi-structured information. Not only these two, and there are many applications available in IT, they provide semi-structured format. Next, unstructured, social media, WhatsApp, Twitter, documents data, emails data, these all come under unstructured. So knowingly or unknowingly, we are using this. Messages, our emails, all come under unstructured. In our regular class, I will cover how to retrieve data from structured sources, semi-structured sources, unstructured sources, all. It's important also. In case you want to work in data analytical projects, data scientist projects, you will use all these types of data. So I'll explain you. And data storage format. And you see this data in the IT industry level, either table format or file format. File format or table format, database table. And storage area. You know very well nowadays, even non-IT guy, layman, technical illiterate also storing data in the on-premises and cloud. Firstly, they're keeping data in their company servers, in their personal laptops, desktops, etc. And then they're moving to cloud, Google Drive cloud, OneDrive cloud, or any cloud, Apple cloud, etc. So data storage areas, on-premises and cloud. Somebody else's storage, maybe Google Drive, OneDrive, Apple, Samsung cloud, any cloud. So this feature Microsoft calling as any type of data, any format data, and any storage data. And since 2013, they published this feature, and Microsoft is very popular from 2013 with these features. In a type, any format, any storage. Please remember, and this is the initial slogan also from Microsoft. So some crazy interviewers to test the candidates they're asking. So what was the initial slogan of Power BI? Yeah, any type of data, any storage data, any format. And this feature is an eye-opener for many companies. They felt comfortable with Power BI because of these features. And I will show you cloud. Even my co-trainer will show you how to connect to cloud and bring the data. File database, anyway, we are going to work in the class. So IT level, what are the data available, format available, type available, I clearly explain. And what we see in the classroom also explain. And this data used in IT applications. So focus. The data only used in the IT applications. Many types of IT applications in the market, not one, two. And some of your friends might be learning Python, Java, .NET, PHP, and a couple of people, SAP, mainframe, different types. So many types of IT applications, but you guys must know about two types of IT applications. One is business running, second business analysis. And business running applications can also be called transactional applications. And we call it as online transaction processing applications, OLTP. IRCTC ticket booking information and book my show information in India, or any train ticket, or you are sending amount through Zelle, PhonePe, GPay. Those are also called as transactional applications, because at the end, general public only use the applications like forms. These are called OLTP. So the OLTP, transactional processing applications. And general public only use forms. Maybe web platform or desktop platform or mobile platform, and they will fill the form. At the end, it will give a message, transaction success or transaction fail. And that is called transaction storage, OLTP storage. So knowingly or unknowingly, we all using transactional applications, transaction storages. In our mobile level, whatever the app you have that does transactional process. Nowadays, we purchase many Amazon products, Flipkart products due to sale. Those are all transactional operations. We book movie ticket, train ticket, those are all transactional operations. So general public use these kind of platforms, and they use forms, and the data is transaction storage. But the Amazon management, now the offers are going on, or the Flipkart management or IRCTC management want to analyze the data. Take IRCTC. How many trains having full booking today? The trains having no booking, normal versus Tatkal tickets booking difference. So definitely they need to bring the data from here and analyze this. How is it possible? So guys, you cannot convert directly this data into this. We have a process called BA process, business intelligence process. Some technically strong people say analytical process. We pass this data to analytical process. We create analytical storage. Finally, we present through analytical components. These are analytical components, report or dashboard. So general public use forms, but analytical people use, or management people use, or business intelligence people use reports or dashboards for decision making. So as a Power BI resource, you participate in the BA process and you generate BA application like report and dashboard. And sometimes you create BA storage, or sometimes you use BA storage. So your responsibility as a BA developer, ignore about Power BI, any BA developer, any analytical resource, applying BA process on transactional data or any data, creating analytical storage and presenting analytical information. This is a process. All of you okay? Great. Now, I will cover the next one, BA. What is BA? BA stands for business intelligence, intelligence to the business. Simply decision making or analysis of the business. Full form, abbreviation, decision making analysis of the business. And technically, strongly you want to conclude BA is a process of converting your normal data into decision making data. If you have normal data, the data you want to convert into decision making way, analytical way, then we go to BA. But how do we present, sir? And we present the BA data in a visual or insight. This is a visual. Then what is insight? So whatever you're able to see the information, that is called insight. Accurate and deep understanding of visual data is insight. So from tomorrow, you come across visual insight terminology only. I use regularly visual insight. So all the BI applications show the data through visuals, and we will see, we will generate insights. So BI applications use any type of data, any format data, and their output is report or dashboard. This is the important one. Sir, what is the difference between report and dashboard? Why are you saying like this? Report level, very simple. This is an example of report. Report level, detailed data we show, point number one. And report level, one individual operation you will explain. A company contains many reports. In my last company, they were having 300 plus reports. It's a MNC. And dashboard level, high level data only we show. And specific subject area data only you show. And always limited. In my previous company, 12 dashboards only it was holding. 12 dashboards only it was running. So this is all about report, and this is all about dashboard. Understand? So from tomorrow, your responsibility after learning Power BI, generating individual data, operation data, detailed data show, or high level data show. Next. Simply, if you see this picture, general public, booking applications, forms, transactional data in the cloud or on-premises, Power BI, reports or dashboard, management and analysis. Now, coming to the most important area, don't confuse. The most important area I'm explaining. Slowly I will explain. And it is your responsibility to understand this. And without understanding this, if you start your journey, it's a mere waste journey. I said fruitful content I will give you in the demo. This is a fruitfulness. Yes. So general public applications, Data is transactional data, file or database, simply business data available here. Management team, multiple platforms, the data they see, business and analysis data. But how do we convert this data to this? And there is a process called BA process. Since 90, we have the process. It's a very standard process. And minimum 4 layers required. So any company, if they want to convert this data into analytical data, they need to go for minimum 4 layers. And 90 scientists given the process. First layer is ETL layer. Extract, transform, load layer. From this, bring the data, do the transformations and load. Some people say data gathering area. So this is the area. Where do we store? This regular data we keep into warehouses, data warehouses. Warehouse means huge storage area. So multiple storage data in a single storage. So years and years data you see, historical data you see, incremental data you see in this area. Once the data storage is completed, we'll take required data, specific data, apply aggregate information or analytical information or generate aggregate analytical data. And this is called semantic area. And here GB, TBs to PBs of data, we keep terabytes to petabytes. But coming to this, GBs of data we maintain. Required data, aggregate operations, analytical operations, like sum, average, maximum, rank, row number, sample, etc. Once the specific data ready with aggregate analytical operations, then go for data presentation component to present the data. Report or dashboard will present it and management team will take decisions on top of it. So one layer for data gathering, one layer for data storage, one layer for required data and quick operations, and one layer for presentation. These 4 layers required. Minimum 4 layers. And 90 to 2005. 90 to till 2005. So why I'm saying this? Because Microsoft entered and Microsoft having a BA, and that history I'm going to explain. So 90 to 2005, if a company want this end-to-end process, no doubt, the same process every company has to follow. If you want to construct a building, how do you construct? First foundation, and then pillars, and then roof, that is slab, side walls, etc. One by one you go. You don't go directly to construct a house. The same way, if you want to convert normal data into business intelligence data, data gathering layer, data storage layer, specific data layer, and data presentation layer, multiple layers required. If a company want to use it, compulsory they need to purchase these kind of ETL tools, storages, analytical tools, reporting tools. So one company decided, why don't we give end-to-end solution in our fingertips? That is Microsoft BA, MSBA. It's very strong in the market. You heard about it. MSBA 2005 released. It's a suite. The suite containing tool 1, tool 2, tool 3, 3 tools. The 3 tools will do end-to-end process. So this is the first tool, SSIS for ETL process, SSAS for analytical process, SSRS for reporting process. So MSBA suite has 3 major tools and it will perform end-to-end process. IS for integration services of SQL Server, analysis services of SQL Server, reporting services of SQL Server for end-to-end process. Self-service BA suite. It's purely on-premises. If a company decide to perform end-to-end process, yes, easily they can do with MSBA tools. So MSBA given in 2005, the next version 2008, the next version 2012, and 2008 R2 actually. 2012, 14, 17, 19, 22 like this. Every 2 to 3 years there is a version, that too on-premises. All of you clear? And only the bad luck in MSBA was from 2004 onwards, Facebook kind of applications available in the market, simply unstructured data applications. And 2006, cloud is added in the market. Cloud is available. And 2009 onwards, mobile and tab apps available. People started using apps. These are all missing in the MSBA because the architecture design based on before 2004 market. So Microsoft moved in rush for cloud features first. So in 2010, they given Azure and Azure BA components. Before 10 also available, but Azure BA, business intelligence in the Azure given in 2010. Purely cloud. So Azure Data Factory in this area, it's a service. Azure and also services available in this area. And Synapse or Snowflake for the storage, but reporting not available. They were unable to create a reporting component. So ETL cloud, analysis cloud available, but reporting not available. So they decided, why don't we create a new reporting component? Yeah, they are already having a reporting component on premises, SSRS, but not powerful. And they want to generate a very powerful reporting component suitable for cloud on premises with all these features, unstructured data, mobile apps, everything. That is Power BI. More power added to existing BI. For this more power is added and created Power BI. And 2013 released and self-service application. So it is a suite. It is a cloud BI. It is cloud and on-premises BI with reporting. So Power BI application has concepts, not tools or services like this. First concept, Power Query for this purpose. Second concept, Power Pivot for this purpose. Third concept, Power View for this purpose and Power Map for this purpose. So multiple concepts in the application help us to perform end-to-end process. That's why this is called self-service BI application. That's why. So one single Power BI application really sufficient to perform end-to-end process. So people go for Power BI because of this reason. But you can ask me, sir, what about warehouse storage, cube storage? Can we do it in Power BI? That I will tell you later in the class, but end-to-end we can do. And many companies use Power BI for that purpose only. Cloud supportive, app supportive, unstructured data supportive, and many other current cutting-edge technology process supportive operations you find in the Power BI. All of you clear? And with the given success of Power BI, Microsoft decided, why don't we go for such kind of low code components? If you see this, Power BI, adding more power to existing BI. This was the initial definition. And Microsoft concluding, Power BI is a low code application. Cloud and on-premises supportive application. Self-service application. So it's a low code, no need to write much code. Cloud and on-premises both supportive. Self-service application to generate reports and dashboard from the data. So generate reports and dashboards. If someone asks you, describe Power BI, tell these features. Low code, cloud and on-premises supportive, self-service application, report and dashboard generation. And released in July 2013, and monthly updates only available, and 13 to current month. So we don't have a yearly updates like MSBA. That was a drawback in MSBA. So Microsoft overcome this with monthly updates. Every month you see the update. So what type of update? You can ask me. The update is with respect to features. Features upgrade, features deprecation, and new features release, etc. This is a major reason why Power BI is very powerful in the market and no competitor to Power BI. Monthly update. It's not a simple task. Microsoft maintaining many scientists who dedicatedly work for Power BI. And with the given spirit of Power BI low code and wonderful market, Power Platform released in 19 with low code applications. Power BI is one low code, but Power Apps is another low code for mobile tab friendly apps. Power Automate is one more low code for robotic process automation. Virtual Agent is one more low code for intelligent chatbots. When you open a website, when you open a blog, you see how may I assist you, robots, chatbots. Those you want to create very easily, you can create. And you want to create a website, web page, then also you can create using Power Pages. So these are the multiple low code applications which Power Platform use. So it is having its own market. So Power Platform developer, where Power BI plus other components companies expecting. But companies, instead of going for Power Platform combination and these kind of, and they are moving towards AI and they are moving towards data operations. So Microsoft also decided, why don't we go to purely cloud? See this picture? This picture is important, I told you. Little confusing, but it's important for IT, non-IT people. Open the video once and read the document once. You will understand. If you don't understand, also don't worry. In the regular class, I'm going to explain from basics. So first, Microsoft. This is the Microsoft evolution in the BI. Very important. So first, MSBA 2005. Pure on-premises. Cloud. Reporting not available. Power BI reporting available. So companies using cloud plus Power BI crazily. So ADF, AAS, and Power BI because reporting Power BI are on premises also IS, AAS, and reporting Power BI instead of SSRS Power BI. So Power BI used in the cloud and on premises. But cloud people, they're facing issues like Azure account they require and Power BI account they require separately. So Microsoft, they want to club both and give a purely AI-based cloud solution. That is Fabric. Fabric level, the ADF become data factory. The AI is available as a notebook, another component. And the Synapse and Lakehouse available for the storage area and Power BI for visualization area, Fabric level. So simply, Fabric is a modernized cloud AI component or cloud AI platform for data ingestion, data retrieval to till presentation, everything available with data activator facility and governance. Once again, Fabric, an all-in-one solution, full cloud AI platform with data integration to data presentation with data governance. So if you learn Power BI, you can try as a standalone Power BI developer or a Fabric developer. In both the areas, you can try. If you learn standalone Power BI developer, more opportunities. So this current course covers this. Even Fabric level, how do we use Power BI? We're going to cover, no need to worry. Because limited area, limited part we use. Even you join as a Power Platform developer, there also Power BI required. So Power BI alone, along with Power Platform, along with Azure BI, along with MS BI, and Fabric. This is the reason I explained about opportunities like that. MS BI plus Power BI. In this area, they use Power BI. Azure plus Power BI. In this area, they use Power BI. Only Power BI developer, complete end-to-end process. Fabric Power BI developer. So they use this component at Fabric level and Power BI in this area. And I will show you how Fabric looks like. Give me 2 minutes, I will close it properly. app.fabric.microsoft.com. This is Fabric portal. Welcome to Fabric. Workspace. I'm selecting one workspace. See, workspace, working area. Click new item. You can bring the data in the Fabric. Everything in the cloud level. You can store the data in the Fabric. Lakehouse, event house, warehouse, semantic model. And you can prepare the data in the warehouse. You can analyze and train the data. You can track the data. You can visualize the data end to end. Everything possible only in this cloud. And you will work Power BI in this area, visualization area, for report creation, scorecard creation, dashboard creation, etc. Second way, you will use Power BI, this component. This is a standalone component. So there we use, or here we use Power BI to prepare reports. Then how do we install this? How do we operate this? Tomorrow I'm going to explain, don't worry. So today I explain data to fabric, where Microsoft evolution also explained. That's the reason Microsoft is a leader. Microsoft is a leader because first one 2005 MSBA, and after MSBA Azure BA, after Azure BA Power BI, if you calculate the number of years, and now Fabric. In between we have a platform, Power Platform, that's a non-BA platform. Multiple low-code applications. It's a non-BA, but these are all BA only. So I'm going to give you in detail Power BI, that is sufficient. Power BI plus Azure combination, Power BI plus MSBA combination, Power BI alone, Power BI Fabric. Even data science and data analyst also suitable, the course. I believe you got the clarity. So I given types of data, types of IT application, BA applications, MSBA, Power BI, Azure BA, Fabric, Power BI in the Fabric, A in the Fabric. So A in the Power BI, A in the Power BI takes time. Tomorrow I will explain. And tomorrow, first 10 minutes, I'll give the recap of today's part, followed by Power BI components, Power BI concepts. Once end-to-end example, cloud and desktop. Many people take an example on the desktop, but I will show cloud also tomorrow. How Power BI cloud looks like, how do we place the report in the cloud, how do we share with other people. And if you learn only desktop and no cloud, means you're 50% knowledge in Power BI. If you learn cloud also, then only you're 100% knowledge in Power BI. Desktop plus cloud only, Power BI cloud. Sorry, Power BI operation. I believe you enjoyed this session. So this is a hierarchy given. Data, IT applications 40 onwards available, BA applications 90 onwards available, Power BI from 2013, Power Platform for 19, and Fabric from 2023 zone. And if you learn Power BI as a standalone, you can work, or Power BI and the Fabric will also use, or even other components combination. Today I showed you Fabric Cloud Platform, app.fabric.com. And tomorrow Power BI Cloud and Power BI Desktop operation end to end. My demos are completely different from others and fully subject oriented. Yeah, tomorrow demo same time with Power BI components, Power BI end-to-end practice, desktop and cloud. I'm not telling a great example I will cover tomorrow, but end-to-end wonderful example I cover, which you will not find in other demo areas and other areas. I'm stopping now. Before stopping, I request one more time, please provide your email ID, mobile number to get the current demo document and video. And also, if you want to speak to me over phone, yeah, call me in the given timings for your career, sessions, questions, everything. Fast track, I told you, attend my 2 batches parallelly. I'll continue in this batch and take previous batch videos. No, I don't have classes in those batch. I'm a working employee. So 7, 8, 9, and 10 also we are planning. So these 3 plus evening batches I'm having. I don't have batches from morning 9 to or 10 to evening 6. Yes, ask your questions, please. If anyone having questions.
Hi, I'm John here. Do we have 7 a.m. Session also, Vinay?
Yeah, we have 7 a.m. session, but it will take 1 month time to start up.
Understood. Got it.
Because
Second
already
query.
ongoing batch is there, sir.
Got it. Okay. So I mean,
Understood.
like I
Once
can
it is-
join here and I can jump to 7
Yeah,
a.m. right?
7 a.m. recently started in the month of September. So till October ending, it will continue. 3rd September started.
Or September started. Okay. Got it. Second query regarding this course. I mean, like, is Excel knowledge is compulsory for this? I mean, like, kind of Power BI
Not needed.
not needed. Okay,
But if you have advantage, but not required.
understood. Yeah, basic knowledge I have, but I don't have that advanced level Excel
Not
knowledge.
required, so not
That's
required.
what-
In case you want to learn, we have trainers you can learn, but not required for you.
not compulsory.
Yeah.
Okay.
In case you want to try as a Power BI developer, if you want to try as a data analyst or data scientist, and there you require.
Got it. Sure. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Any more questions from anyone?
Tomorrow's session will be same link or like is it
Yes,
different?
same link, same time, sir. Thank you everyone for joining today. Have a great day and see you tomorrow. And come up with more questions. And in case you need clarity, refer to the video once or read the document once. You will get complete clarity, no doubt. Even in the regular class, I go from basics. You will get more clarity. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.